Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we have started a new chapter, that is chapter 9, rational number, and we have started our 9.1, exercise 9.1, and we have done two questions from that exercise, isn't it? So before starting the class, I would like to do the home assignment which I have given you yesterday, okay? Here we have the first home assignment which I have given you yesterday. Question number 3 from question number 1. List 5 rational number between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So most of you have got confused while doing this sum, right? The question is tricky compared to question number 1 and 2 because here we have the denominator unlike denominator or different denominator compared to the previous one, right? So first of all, our first job before solving the exercise, before solving the problem, is to make the denominator equal. Denominator same we have to make it, okay? So minus 4 by 5, okay? So what we are going to do is we will make the denominator first. We have to choose such a denominator, okay? We have to choose such a denominator which will be divided by 5 and 3 as well. So if I choose 45 if I want to make 45, we can divide with 5 also. 5 9s are 45, right? And we can divide this with 3 also, that is 3 15s are 45. So 45 is divisible by both 5 and 3. So we are choosing 45. So we have to choose such a number which is divisible by 5 as well as 3. Okay. So to make 45, what we have to do in this case, we have to multiply this and this side, both the numerator and denominator, by 9. Okay. So minus 36 by 45. This is our first form. Okay. So next one is minus 2 by 3. We have to make it 45. So we have to multiply with 15 here and 15 here over there. Okay. So minus 30 by 5 3 3 into 15 is 45. So now it is equal. Both the denominators are equal. So what we can write here is, now we can get the 5 rational number between this number, okay, in between this two number. So minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 31 by 45. So count it, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we got in between these two numbers there are 5 rational number, and those are minus 35 by 45, minus 34. If you want to cut, you can cut it like 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 45. Okay, so if you want to cut, you can cut like this also. Okay, so here is the first assignment which we have solved. So move on to the next assignment. Moving on to the next home assignment, question number 4 from exercise 9.1. Okay, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 was your assignment, right? So even in this condition, the concept is same because the denominators are different. So we have to make the denominator equivalent or equal. Okay, so over here I will use the concept of LCM. I will take the LCM of 2 and 3. 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Okay, or you could have said that you can do that. You can take the number 6 and divide both the number. It is both divisible. In the first sum also I have done, in the number 3 question also I have done in a similar way. That is, choose a number which will be divisible by this 2 as well as 3. In the previous sum also you have to choose such a number in which both the denominator can divide that number. So 6 can divide this 2 and 3. Alright. So, or LCM we can take, and to make this 2 6, you have to multiply with 3. Now both the side you have to multiply. You have to make the equivalent fraction, right? So 6, and in case of 2 by 3 also, 3 you have to make 6. So multiply with 2. So it is 2 4 by 6. So you have to write the rational number between 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. So if you move forward, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, then 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so after this, this comes, right? So, and after this comes, isn't it? So if you have to write the 5 rational number between 1 minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, 5 rational number are, you can choose any between this, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6 is 0, so I am writing just 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the rational number. We got it. Okay, we can cut this. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. If you want to cut, you can cut this. 2 3 is so minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, and it is 1 by 3. Okay, so with this we are over with our home assignment. Let us start from question number 2 as a class assignment. So student, here we start our class assignment with question number 2 of exercise 9.1. It states that write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Okay, so the question is in a form of a pattern. You have to write 4 more rational number with this pattern. You have to join this pattern. All right. So first of all, you have to understand this in which pattern it is actually. Okay. So if you look at this carefully, you will find the multiplication or the table of a 3. Just see, minus 3 ones is 3, and 5 ones is 5, right? Similarly, if you look up here, you'll find the multiplication of 3, that is minus 3 into 2 divided by 5 into 2. It is, isn't it? So this is in a pattern form. Similarly, we have minus 3 into 3. It is minus 9 divided by 5 into 3. Continuous. 1, 2, 3. Multiply. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. Then minus 3 into 4. Continuous, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and 5 4 is 20. So we have to follow this pattern. Continue the pattern. 4 more rational number you have to find. Okay. So what we have to do after this, what comes? Minus 3 into 5 comes. Similarly, 5 5 is 25. Right? Again, so this is already, we have got the product, but we will write this product in the next one. Okay. So minus 3 into 6 by 5 into 6, minus 3 into 7 by 5 into 7, minus 3 into 8 by 5 into 8, right? So multiply this, minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 30, minus 27 by 35, minus 24 by 40, right? So the pattern which after this 4 rational numbers, what comes is this number. Okay, so minus 15 by 25 minus, so this will continue. Okay, so this is the 4 rational number after this number or after the pattern. This will continue the pattern. Okay, here we have the next question from question number 2 of exercise 9.1. The question is similarly you have to write the 4 more pattern or the 4 more rational number. Okay, by continuing this pattern. Okay, so just look, minus 1 by 4 it is, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 4. All right, so just see below the denominator here, you will find, okay, sorry, it is 12. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, right? So what we are going to do here is minus 1 into 1 will make 1, and 4 into 1 will make 4, isn't it? We can break in such a form. Similarly, minus 1 into 2 divided by 4 into 2 we can make, and similarly we can write minus 1 into 3 is 3, minus 3 divided by 4 into 3. So we can write like this, isn't it? So in this form we have to continue the 4 more rational number we have to write. So minus 1 into 4 by 4 into 4, minus 1 into 5 by 4 into 5, minus 1 into 6 by 4 into 6, minus 1 into 7 by 4 into 7. So multiply this. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 by 4 4 is 16, minus 5 by 20, minus 6 by 24, minus 7 by 28. I hope you understood this. So these are the 4 more rational number continuing this pattern. Okay. So just see 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. So this is following some pattern, no? That is multiplication of 4 is a pattern only. So number 2 is also over. Student, here we have the next question. Question number 3 from exercise 9.1. Okay. Okay, so similar thing you have to do over here also. You have to write the 4 rational number following this pattern. Okay, so minus 1 into 1 we can make this minus 1. Similarly 6 into 1 is your 6, right? So 2 into 1 and minus 6 into 2 will be a minus 12, right? And okay, let me follow this pattern. Let me write this into 1 into 2 so that this numerator and the denominator side looks equal. Okay, so 1 into 3 by minus 6 into 3, 1 into 4 by minus 6 into 4. So this is your equal, no? So all the pattern looks equal, similar. So this pattern you have to follow. Okay, so just continue with this. 1 into 5, 4 more rational. So count it and write more. 6 into 5, then 1 into 6 by minus 6 into 6, and then 1 into 6 by 1 into 7 by minus 6 into 7, 1 into 8 by minus 6 into 8. Okay, so 1 into 5 is 5 by minus 30, then 6 by minus 36, then 7 by minus 42, 8 by minus 6 is 48. So this will be continued. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over 6 2 is 12, 6 2 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48. Okay, so this pattern should be followed and the pattern should not be mismatched. Okay, so number 3 is also over. Let us proceed to number 4. So our next question from exercise 9.1 will be a home assignment. Okay, you'll try to do it yourself in the manner which I have done. Okay, so moving on to the next question from exercise 9.1 is your question number 3. It states that you have to write or give 4 rational number equivalent to the given number in this exercise. Okay, so you have to write 4 rational number equivalent to this number. So if I write in this number, if I multiply both the side by 1, that is in numerator and denominator side, will it be changed? No. So just you have to continue with this. After 1 what comes? 2. Multiply with 2 in both the side. Then minus 2 into 3. How many you have to find? 4. So minus 2 into 3. Then minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 7 it is. 7 here. 7 into 3. 7 into 4. Minus 2 into 5 by 7 into 5. Alright. So minus 4 you have to find. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 14, comma 3 to the 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28, minus 10 by 35. So this is the 4 rational number equivalent to this number. So just equivalence means the continuation or the pattern form which we did in the previous sum. Moving to the next question. Similarly, we will apply the concept here also. Multiply both the side by 1. It will be the thing won't get changed. So what we are going to do, multiply both the side by 2. 5 into 3. Continue. Okay. Continuous multiplication you are going to do. 5 into 4. Only this number will be changed with which you are multiplying. Of how many times you are multiplying. Okay, So minus 3 into 4, then 5 into 5 by minus 3 into 5. So 4 irrational you have to find. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So just count it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the numbers are minus 3 here. This won't change. The actual which rational numbers are there, that won't be changed. Okay, only this are going to change. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just do that. And how many rational? If suppose say 5, then multiply again with 6. It could have gone continuous way. So 5 to the is 10 by minus 6. 15 by minus 9. Then 20 by minus 12. 25 by minus 15. So these are the 4 rational number equivalent to minus 5 by minus 3. Minus 10 by minus 6, 15 by minus 9, 20 by minus 12, 25 by minus 15. Okay. So at last you can write, therefore, in the previous question also you could have written, therefore the 4 rational number equivalent to 5 by minus 3 are this number. Okay. So you can write, okay, that number. With this we are over with question number 2. Student, we have one more question left from exercise 9.1 of question number 3. That is 3 only. Question number 3, 4 by 9. This will be your home assignment. You will try to do it yourself. Okay. And this much for today. We will continue from the next class. Okay. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice and do your home assignment. Okay. Thank you everyone.